Solve the equation and check the solution. Negative 4/7 x is equal to negative 12. Here we have a one-step equation where we're going to multiply both sides by the reciprocal of negative 4/7, which is a negative 7/4. So take negative 7/4 times the left-hand side and negative 7/4 times the right-hand side. Now that negative 12, I'm going to write as negative 12 over 1 so that we can see clearly the numerator and denominator values. Multiplying on the left, as we multiply these reciprocals, they cancel out, giving 1x or just x. Multiplying on the right, as we multiply a negative times a negative, we get a positive outcome. And before multiplying, let's cancel common factors. 4 goes into itself once and into 12 3 times. Now multiplying in the numerator, 7 times 3 is 21. In the denominator, 1 times 1 is 1. So we have 21 over 1, or just that value of 21. Now let's check this solution. As we substitute x equal 21 into the original equation, is negative 4/7 times 21, and I'm going to write that 21 as 21 over 1 in fractional form, so I can see where that fraction bar sits within this multiplication. Is that equal to negative 12? Well, canceling common factors, 7 goes into itself once, into 21 3 times. Multiplying straight across on top and bottom. Negative 4 times 3 gives a negative 12. In the denominator, we have a product of 1. And indeed, negative 12 is equal to negative 12. That's a true statement. Therefore, the solution to this equation is the number 21.